In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people and get more members on Discord. Getting started with Discord is like opening a door to a community where you can connect, share, and enjoy camaraderie over common interests. Whether you're new to Discord or looking to expand your existing community, inviting members is a fundamental step in growing your server. Today, we're diving into the specifics of how you can invite people effectively and ensure your Discord server thrives. First, let's navigate to Discord. You can either open the Discord application on your computer or go to Discord's website and log in from there. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure to input the email address you used to register your Discord account. Next up, you'll need to enter your password. Take a moment to double check you've entered it correctly to avoid any login hiccups. Click on the login button to proceed. At this point, you'll be taken to the Discord homepage. This page is your gateway to accessing your servers, direct messages, and more. Now, find the server that you manage or where you want to invite new members to. If you're part of multiple servers, they'll be listed down the left side of your screen. Click on your server's name to enter it. Once inside your server, look for the server's name at the top left of your screen. Right above the list of channels, beside the server name, you'll see a small down arrow indicating a drop-down menu. Click this to reveal server options and then select server settings. This area lets you adjust various aspects of your server, but for now we're focusing on invitations. In the server settings menu, find and click on Invite People. This is where the magic of growing your community happens. You'll be given a default invite link, but we're not done just yet. To ensure a seamless invitation process, click on Edit Invite Link right below the default link. By editing the invite link, you have the power to control how long the link is active and how many times it can be used. For our purposes, we'll make the link as inviting as possible. Change expire after to never and set max number of uses to no limit. This makes your invite link permanent and unlimited, so you can share it far and wide without worrying about it expiring or maxing out. After adjusting these settings, click on Generate a New Link. Congratulations, you now have a custom invite link that you can share with potential new members. But that's not all. Remember, inviting members is just the beginning. Engaging with your community, organizing events, and maintaining a welcoming environment are key to keeping your Discord server active and growing. Before you dash off to share your invite link, let's touch on a few additional tips. Try sharing your invite link on your social media platforms or within communities of similar interest, but always make sure to follow the rules and etiquette of those platforms. Personalizing your invitation message can also make a big difference in getting people interested in joining your Discord server. Lastly, consider creating a welcome channel in your Discord server where new members can introduce themselves and learn more about your community. This fosters a sense of belonging and encourages active participation. And there you have it. With your customized no expire invite link in hand, you're all set to bring new members into your Discord server and build a thriving community around your shared interests. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, the key to a successful Discord server lies not just in the number of members, but in the quality of interactions and the community you build. Happy inviting,